In 1863, the master builders Georgas Frontzos built a single-arched bridge over the river Arachthos. The bridge collapsed during its arching. It was its inauguration day. 3 years later, Kostas Bekas, in collaboration with Frontzos, undertook the construction of a new, larger bridge at the same spot. Arachthos is located in Epirus, a region in western Greece. Epirus's name originates from the word apiron, which means without margins or boundaries. This region hosts one of the largest single-arched bridges in southeastern Europe, with an arch span that exceeds 40 meters in length and 20 meters in height. The bridge was built to facilitate trade and communication with neighboring communities. Up until 1913, it constituted the principal connecting link between European territory and the Ottoman Empire, as well as one of the main entrances to the newly formed Greek state. Years later, the bridge of Plaka collapsed because of heavy rainfall on February 1st, 2015. On top of this, the eastern pedestal shifted due to the excavation of its foundations. The Central Council of Modern Monuments of the Ministry of Culture and Sports responded quickly and diligently. The bridge's renovation was characterized as specialized and urgent, signaling the national importance of this work. An interdisciplinary team of the National Technical University of Athens voluntarily prepared preliminary studies, which the ministry approved whilst also setting appropriate requirements and directions. This project is the result of an unprecedented, both in terms of scope and depth, interdisciplinary research and cooperation between the Ministry of Culture and Sports, the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport, the Ministry of Economy and Development, the Epirus region, the Municipality of North Dumerka, the National Metsovio Polytechnic and the Epirus Department of the Technical Chamber of Greece. It is also the first complete restoration and reconstruction of a stone bridge in Greece, and one of the few corresponding cases internationally. It has hence provided the scientific community with invaluable insights. One should also note the contribution of Nirikos S.A. and Iliopoulos Brothers O.E. The bridge is being restored by stabilizing its remaining foundations. Special attention has also been paid to the materials used for the project. Stones of the same composition and texture as those used in the original structure. They come from a local quarry in order to retain the local character. They were used and revived traditional methods that include manual labor and inserting the stones to the bridge's visible parts. Mortars are made and applied without the use of cement. In the context of an unprecedented cooperation, the Plaka Bridge symbolizes the hope and renaissance of the entire Greek society after the crisis.